Hello everyone! Hey, are you looking to grow yourself as a leader and more importantly as a person, and you want to grow the people around you as well? Well, if so, I have the resources here for you to do that. My name is Mike Phillips and I've been involved in sales, marketing, coaching, leadership from a grassroots level to an executive level for more than 25 years. I began by coaching youth sports, and then that quickly evolved into coaching and working with other people to grow them both personally and professionally. I share videos that are practical and real life, and I share sales tips and marketing and motivation and leadership tips so that you can grow yourself, your business, and your people. Each week, I interview leaders from different areas of business, all different facets, to get their perspective on not just what it is to be a good leader, but how you can grow as a leader as well. See, I believe that impacting individuals has such a positive influence and impact on not just the people that are growing, but it has an impact on their businesses and their communities as well. So make sure you check back every Wednesday and Sunday for motivational tips to increase your influence and level up your leadership. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that you get notified when I'm either uploading new episodes or when I go live. And I look forward to continuing your leadership journey with you right here on Lead the Team.